see what I tell the thumbnail, replacing the original red reflectors with some clear ones from DEPO. I bought them off of eBay. Hopefully that wind's not killing you. Give us the part number and all that. Paid 30, like I would say like $35 after taxes, and this is gonna be super easy. I just looked up under here just to make sure, at least for me. Wasn't sure if there was gonna be the need for screws, like a screwdriver or 10 mil or something, but there's this tab right here. You just push on the opposite side of this, right up, that way to your left, to the right of the car, and then she shall pop right out. Let's see, my first time doing it with y'all, so let's see. Should just pop right out. Yep. What that nice dirty hole looks like, you know, after almost 20 years, 15 years. So if y'all want to, y'all can clean this out after y'all do yours, but I'm not doing that. So got the original, and we'll make sure that we got them matched up. Looks like this is gonna be matched up just like that. Old versus new. It's just literally, these aren't I wouldn't mind doing like lights as a replacement, but I don't know about that. Actually, it's gonna go in like this. Just stick that side in first, and then I should just push right in. So let's see how we did. Take this thumb right to the yeah, this looks way cleaner. Hopefully it's not windy for y'all. Again, gotta cover up that mic, but yeah, that just looks way cleaner. Take this thumbnail real quick, and I'll get back to y'all from the other side. It's pretty rusty back here, man. So as y'all can see, little tab, that little silver tab. Try to do it with my right hand this time. This little silver tab, just gonna push that baby over, and it pops right out. And just grab it. Do it outside the car this time. Just grab it, pull it out. Nasty old red, and now fresh clear. So all right, y'all, we got the clears in, all set up, and the old red ones in that box right there. So y'all enjoyed this video, short, sweet, Japanese front plate, and a little eBay Japanese badge right there. You know, gotta add a little bit of rice to the car, you know what I'm saying? I don't like, you know, too much rice, but enough rice is nice rice, you know what I'm saying? I can respect a little bit of rice. And I might make the thumbnail with the Japanese plate, so I might add that in at the end of the video too, where I got that from. So peace, y'all. All right, y'all, so for y'all that, you know, the Japanese plate might have got you the Temp tag, got it off of eBay. I think I paid like 17 bucks for it, but I'll leave that in the description, as well as the DEPO Clears. And I appreciate DEPO for making such a nice and clean, easy product to install that fit well. 100% recommend. And I might throw in a clip of maybe it at night, because I know there might be people wondering, you know, if it, you know, because it's still a reflector at the end of the day. It's just not red. Just doesn't have the red housing on it. It's just, you know, the clear lens. So, but that's it. That's all. I'm gonna let y'all go. Peace, man.